Okay, question 5 wants to know which of these two areas are biggest. And it's told us, because it's not a calculator paper, we can't work out the area of a circle with a calculator. We're going to use that pi is 3.1. So it's reminding us we need to do areas and use pi. So that might help us remember what the formula is for the area of a circle, which is pi times by r squared. So the radius in this case, and I always think it's really useful to actually physically write that down so you don't get muddled up with your pi and your radius, is 3. So whilst we're talking about this, let's find the area of the circle. So it's pi times 3 squared, but we're going to take pi to be 3.1. So this is for the area of the circle. So let's call that a little c. Is pi, which we're going to write down as 3.1, times by the radius squared. 3 squared is 9, so we need to do 3.1 times by 9. There's a few different ways you can do 3.1 times by 9. You could times by 10 and then take one lot of 3.1 away. So that would give us 31 minus 3.1. Or you could just times by 9, loads of different ways. Doesn't really matter which way you do it, as long as you do it right. So that's going to give us a 9 there. It's going to give us 27.9. So the area of the circle is 27.9 centimetres squared. Area of the triangle, we've got to do area of the rectangle. So area of rectangle is 11 times by 2.5. Again, lots of different ways that you can do this. You could times by 2 and then add another half of 11 on. So that would be 22 plus half of 11, which is 5.5, which gives us an answer of 27.5. You could do column multiplication, it doesn't really matter. Again, whichever method you use, as long as you've got one that you're confident with. So that now gives us that the area of the circle is 27.9, area of the rectangle is 27.5. The question says, which has the greater area? It doesn't say just work out both areas, it says write down which has the greater area. So the area that's biggest is the circle. So the circle has the greater area. Remember, you got a mark for doing that, writing that down, okay? So don't forget, don't do anything